For love nga daw, may bumubulong dito sa table na to. Itago natin sa pangalang Bobby Regentina.
Ayan, si Bobby na nag-follow up ng For Love.
For love daw, the baddest thing we've done for love.
Done for love? Siguro... disobeying parents just to see my girlfriend, maybe, I think. For love, if that's for love, then yeah.
Just may mga side comment dito sa table na to. Sa POV daw ng parents, but yun.
Pero sa POV mo raw.
It's love.
Yes. And this is, you know, I think...
And it's relatable.
Yeah,
It's not
I
just
think I'm sure like everyone here is sort of done that.
River, ikaw ang meron ka namang ginawa.
Ikaw,
baddest thing.
parang ikaw ang...
Baddest thing for love. Ano ba? Nagawa na ba ako?
Tanong natin sa...
Baddest thing for love. Siguro hardest thing or not baddest thing naman. Siguro siguro the whole PBB journey. Siguro that that was a sacrifice for me to be able to go inside the house for 4 months. No communication, walang...
Hindi nabigyan ng chance, tinuro ko pa yun. Hindi nabigyan ng chance na kausapin ka while you're inside the house.
Wala talaga.
Wala.
For 4 months.
That's painful.
Yeah, pero nagpaalam ka ba?
Siyempre naman, we talked before. And...
Sa kanya ginawa ko, nagbilin ka to send flowers? Tama ba?
Yes, kasi monthly namin yung every 12th of the month. So, that was my only way of communicating to her. And I sent there's an app kasi sa phone na you can send future messages. So habang nasa outside world pa ako, I sent future messages to her para makuha niya while I'm inside.
Uy, saan yan? Anong app yan?
Co-star.
Yung baddest ang question pero ang good pa rin ang answer.
So siguro that was not the baddest but the hardest.
The hardest.
And not just me naman, pero it took 2 sides for that to happen. So, that's true.
Any reaction? Ayan. Any reaction sa sinabi? Wala naman.
O yung iba, the baddest thing you've done for love. Jello.
Ako sobrang usual lang ito. I feel like lahat kami na-experience. So, kumbaga yung kakayanin mong mag-take ng risk na at the same time sa sobrang busy, like masasacrifice mo talaga yung pahinga mo, yung mga iba't ibang mga schedules, pero nakakayanan pa rin iparamdam kung ano yung dapat.
Not naman tumakas ng work.
Hindi naman po. Kung may level.
Dustin.
Ikaw wala pa siyang...
Ako for love po. Wala pa po kasi akong experience kaya ngayon nahihirapan po akong sumagot. Nag-iisip po ako talaga kung ano yung baddest thing. Ayun po, wala po. Wala po.
It's okay. Si Brent na rin.
Ako siguro, ano ba, baddest? Parang same na with Harvin, Jelen, na parang sometimes you forget to prioritize yourself just so you could put this person first. Parang ganun, yung parang nakakalimutan mo or minsan nauubos ka na parang mapuno mo yung pagmamahal na meron mo para sa tao.
Kung ganun nauubos ka na, diba? Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Dodon. Salamat. Naz, you're next. Hello po. Ang follow-up kay Christina sa question nyo naman. Ano po yung reaction nyo naman sa casting for Bad Boy?
Ako po, happy ako kasi kasama po ako dun sa audition. So, nakita ko rin yung acting nila. Tapos kasi mayroong parang mga scene na pinag-preparing. So, ako rin po kinikilig. So, yun po. I'm proud of them. And I'm praying na marami pa silang maging project. Kasi, ang fresh ng mga faces, maganda ng mukha. Ayun. So, hoping ako na marami pa silang maging project after this.
Kay Angie naman. Ito na kasi parang pinaka-malaki mong project. Kasi
So ano yung, can you take us back nung nalaman mo na ikaw yung nasa project? Ano reaction mo?
First of all, never kong in-expect kasi ang daming pinagawa sa akin. Pinasendan pa ako nila ng video. Yung may pinagawa sa akin, oh, gawin mo tong scene na to, mag-video ka, send mo sa amin. And then pinapunta ako saan pa ngayon, sa DTC na building. So 3 beses kami nag-audition. First of all, who would have thought? Tapos di ko talaga in-expect na mapunta to sa akin. And ang bait talaga ni Lord. At saka doon ko talaga ni-realize din na dapat maniwala tayo sa perfect timing. Like everything happens for a reason. If it's meant for you, it's meant for you. It will not pass you and it will not pass your timeline because it's yours. So yeah.
Thank you.
Ay, Naz, ang tipid. Okay, thank you, Naz. Maraming salamat. We go now to Janrel Cedro of Kapamilya On Demand. Janrel, are you here? Janrel? Ayun sa kabila. Excuse me? Ikaw na, dito ka na, sayang yung start mo.
Charles. What I like about Charles is his protectiveness over si Candice and his friends. He stands up for anyone that tries to bully them or mess with them. At yung yung gusto kong baguhin siguro kay Charles ay yung palaaway kasi si Charles. So siguro I tell him to tone down and there's no need to fight all the time.
Si Marky.
With Marky naman po, siguro not really something na... sorry, what was the question? Something that I like about the character? Is that the question po? Gusto kong baguhin. Oh, siguro... siguro just make him a little bit more bad boy. I think kasi yung pagka-bad boy ni Marky dito in this adaptation specifically is he's in a bit manipulative. He, like I said, gambler siya. He likes to play with fate. And there's so many moments in this film. Siguro kaya siya bad boy. He's a bad boy that way na even though intentional or not, he ends up manipulating the situation to something that he wants it to turn into. Siguro what I would change is siguro dial down on the medyo cunning, scarily manipulative side and more mas Troy na mas physically na makulit talaga na annoying halos siguro po. I'd make him more of a lightning in a bottle type of character maybe.
Troy.
Ayun, sa akin po, actually, I love Troy Mendoza. Kasi sobrang minalagay yung character na yun kasi doon ko na-feel yung sarili ko.
Parang nakita mo yung sarili mo sa kanya.
Doon ko po na yun. Then, doon ko po nakita yung sarili ko na, ay, nagagawa ko po yung gusto ko. Then, nagawa ko pong maging makulit sa mga task ko na kasama dahil kay Troy. Nawala yung pagiging mahiraan ko. And gusto kong baguhin kay Troy siguro yung, sa mga decisions niya. Kasi laging, ang gulo ng utak ni Troy kung totoo sila. Sobrang gulo. So, ayun po yung ko. So, maging firm lang siya sa decision.
Jaden.
Ako, saludo ako kay Jaden sa pagiging malakas niya. Tsaka kung paano niya i-present yung sarili niya na strong kahit marami na siya napagdaanan. And yung pinaka gusto kong baguhin siguro sa kanya, parang wala eh. Pero kung meron man, siguro mas maging sensitive lang sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Parang kay Candice.
Be more sensitive. Okay, that's it. Meron pang gusto umabol at gusto magtanong? Mikey, ano katanong ka pa ba? Hindi na? You're good? Thank you everybody for all your questions. Maraming salamat.